Hi,
Bonk.
are you a stranger somewhere?
Nope.
Or are you lost your way? Alright, don't worry. It will never happen again.
Hi. In this video, I will show you how to use Mapsme. Mapsme is the best of the best offline navigation map today. Map your route with 5 types of navigation. Plan your route and save time by saving your bookmarks on the map. Search offline. Find absolutely everything on the map or even book to a hotel anytime anywhere around the world.
First thing we have to do is open Play Store. On the search bar, type Mapsme and press install. Wait for some times. Open it. On the first time you open this app, you will see this introductory of Mapsme. It also download automatically the map of your current location. This time I will show you how to use the search button. On the search button we have 2 options, history and categories. For example, I will search a nearest gas station. As you can see, a lot of gas station around me with a different distance. I select the nearest one. Press Route button. It will automatically show your route, depending on the option you have selected from the top option. Example, by walk, by car. If you're ready to go, press Start. And that's it. At this time I will show you the function of this button. For example, I am going to Fort Santiago. Just type it on the search bar and enter. As usual, it will show you the route. And on the lower left side, showing the time and distance depending on the selected option above. If you are ready to go, just press the Start button. Now let's move on to the next button. On Settings. Backup bookmark is very important. Once you accidentally uninstall this app, you can download this app again from Play Store easily, but bookmarks cannot. That's why we need to back up our bookmarks direct on the phone or in the cloud storage. Recent track. How to use recent track. Switching on this setting will allow your recent tracks to stay visible on screen as long as depending on the hours you have selected. How to use bookmarks. On the map, tap your favorite place. Small blue color circle will appear on the screen. Now press the star button from the lower side to save. As you can see, red marker pointed on your favorite place. Why bookmark is very useful. For example, Bureau of Immigration is marked with red. Each time I want to go there, I don't need to search. All I gonna do is just click that red color pointer and press the Start button. That's it. Anyways, if you are watching right now and reaching at this point of the video, you so very lucky. Did you know why? 'Cause this is the most important part of the video. I will show you now how it works in real time. No Wi-Fi, no data. Totally no internet. I am here right now in the market together with my wife. Sorry, I am stuck here shortly. My wife buy some food. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Let's take a walk back to my house. As you can see, the arrow is moving forward while I am walking. This is the Android app that you must have. Totally free from Play Store, and most of all it's working 100% without internet. Even in the mountain, forest, or even in the places without cell sites. Very useful application to a persons like messengers, deliveryman of online shopping like Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, and to those persons who are planning to visit other countries. Especially to all seamen who always travel around the world like me. I am using this Android app for more than 3 years till now.
Reminder: if you see a light gray dots forming a long line, it means your recent track is activated. It will stay visible on your map as long as defending the time on your setup. Reminder: how to download a map of your favorite place. Okay, this app need only one-time internet. If you are planning to go for a mountain climbing or to a places without internet. Before you go there, connect your phone to the internet. Check your destination on the map, and it will automatically download the map. Hope this very useful app will spread nationwide, especially to all people living far from cell sites, or totally no internet.
One more important thing. Your current location is not detected. How to fix this problem? Troubleshooting this issue is very easy. Try to go outside of your house or building. Otherwise some metal around you will destruct the sensor of a compass. Still not working? Try to slide down. Press location button. Details. Select high accuracy. And agree. And that's it.
Thanks for watching my video. Please share, like, subscribe. And if you have some comments, please write down below on the comment section. Thank you.